Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will bake hash browns in the oven. I have here 1 kilogram hash browns. This is frozen. Dump this in there. Chop white onion. 1 can of cream of celery, or you can use cream of chicken soup or cream of mushroom, but I'm using and 1 cup of sour cream, for people that didn't know what hash brown is. It's diced potatoes. They put it in a container, in a package, the one it showed you here, and it's frozen, and you can use it anytime, or you can make your own for a hash browns. And 1 cup of old cheddar cheese grated. And mix this all up. Before I mix this up, I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And mix it. Oops, it's too full. I need a bigger bowl than this, but I'll be okay. Now I transfer this into a baking dish. This is 9 by 13. And set this aside for now. I turn the oven here for 350 degrees. Yeah, in this bowl here I have this 1 cup of breadcrumbs. and half a cup of melted margarine, or you can use melted butter. Or you can use crushed cornflakes. And then put this on top. I just make my own breadcrumbs. Just from my bread. Yeah, or you can use the store-bought breadcrumbs. And then I bake this for 45 minutes, 350 degrees oven. And see you guys later. 10 more minutes and the hash brown that I bake in the oven, it's gonna be ready. It smells really good already. I will show you. Opening the oven. Look. It's bubbling. It makes me feel very hungry. I will take the hash brown that I baked in the oven. I think it's ready. Ta-da! Let's taste the hash brown. It's fairly warm. Mmm, very tasty. Mmm. Thank you for watching my video, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comments if you're new to my channel. Okay. See you guys later. Bye-bye.